How to solve the problem of water leakage in the water inlet. If you have the timer installed, turn on the faucet and find that the inlet is leaking, like this. You need to find out what is causing the leak and fix it promptly. This video will show you how to troubleshoot leaks and how to fix them quickly. Now let's turn off the tap first and remove the timer. Find out what is causing the leak. First of all, we need to check whether the rubber gasket around the filter is aging and deformed. If so, a new filter needs to be replaced. And it fits right, like this, fits perfectly on the bottom, no sloping. A little trick is to use a flathead screwdriver to slowly squeeze inwards along the edges, making sure there are no gaps. Next, we need to check whether the thread of the faucet is worn. If there is wear, it may not be able to fully engage the internal thread of the timer, resulting in water leakage or failure to install. If the thread is severely worn, it is recommended that you replace the faucet in time. If it is only slightly worn, you can use the attached Teflon tape to wrap around the faucet and tighten the timer. If you confirm that there are no problems in the above two steps, but there is still water leakage, it may be because the number of threads of your faucet is not enough, and there is a gap between the rubber gaskets of the water inlet of the timer to cause water leakage. We can add an extra washer to the timer water inlet and install it properly. Now we reattach the timer to the faucet and screw it tight. Let's turn on the tap and try. We could see that there was absolutely no water leaking out anymore. So if you find water leaks, please check these and use the accessories we give you to fix the leak. I hope this video can be helpful to you. If you have any questions in the process of using RainPoint sprinkler timer, you can contact us at any time, and we will help you solve them.